What's going on, people? Back with a bang. This is the Money Management, back here to bring you guys your Monday motivation just like every single Monday. So today's Monday motivation, patience pays off. Today we're going to be talking about patience, and we're going to start off by looking at a specific graphic which you've probably all seen before, and we're going to dive into what you can do to be more patient going forward, how patience can affect you, the good aspects, the bad aspects, the positive, the negative, all the different aspects and factors of patience, and overall how patience can affect your journey. But before we do that, people, please do me a favor and don't be patient with this. Drop the thumbs up, hit the like button if you're new around here. If you've been around here before, if you're watching this video, hit the like button. Also, make sure you comment on the video. If you're new around here, if you've been around here, whatever the situation may be, please do comment on the video. Add to that, make sure you guys share these videos with your friends so you push them out to more people, help more people learn how to be patient on their journey to success, help more people push closer to their goals and dreams each and every day. And lastly but not least, please, if you are new around here and you have not yet subscribed, hit the red button below and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Now bear in mind, these are Monday motivations, so they're around once a week, but a lot of our videos to do with money, budgeting, financial future, all that kind of stuff is on this channel. So please do hit the red button if you're new around here and subscribe to the channel. Now for your Monday motivation, patience pays off. So I did briefly mention a graphic, and I'm going to pull that up on screen. A guy digging for diamonds or gold or whatever it is. We've all seen this graphic, I'm sure. And there's two people in this graphic. There's one who's digging and he's very, very close, but he turns away and he goes back home or wherever. And there's another one who digs and they're almost there, and I guess eventually they get to the gold or the prize or the diamonds, whatever it may be. So I've seen this multiple times, and I'm sure again you guys have seen this multiple times. But I think this is relevant, and I just thought I'd talk about it in today's Monday motivation. Now, there are times in our life we try hard, we work hard, we put in a lot of effort to make something happen and get to a specific target or a goal, but we give up. And why do we give up? Because we're not seeing results. So again, patience pays off. There's going to be times where you do try and make things happen. You do put in so much time, effort, energy into getting something done, and you don't think you're getting closer to the target. But I'm going to tell you again, patience pays off. That graphic tells us to keep digging. That graphic tells us to keep putting in the work. That graphic tells us we're closer than we think. That graphic tells us do not stop going. And that's what I'm here to tell you guys. Don't stop going, because that patience will eventually pay you back in the form of money, in the form of happiness, in the form of accomplishments, whatever form it may be. That patience will eventually pay you back. There's a reason that graphic exists, and there's a reason that so many people show it when they're trying to motivate you, when they're trying to push you close to your goals and dreams, when they're trying to make a point to you. There's the reason that graphic exists, and that's the same point I'm trying to make to you guys today. If you're digging at something, you're hacking away at something, keep hacking away, keep digging, keep pushing closer, keep going after it, keep making those tiny steps daily. And let's be honest, if you have a specific dream or a goal or whatever, you might not get there, but if you quit after a month or a few months of trying, well then you're never going to get there. So again, keep hacking away at it, keep putting in the effort, keep putting in the time, the energy, and see that there's a light at the end of the tunnel. Naturally, as humans, we want something. When we want something, we want it now. We want that car, we want that job, we want that amount of money, we want that journey to happen, and we want to get the results now. It is completely natural as humans. I've done it, you guys have done it. If you start a YouTube channel, you want to get 10K subscribers within a few months. If you start a new journey, a weight loss journey, you want to lose 10 pounds within a few weeks. If you start anything, you want the results ASAP. That is normal. But this is why I'm here to tell you guys, patience pays off. Your goal may be to make your first $100 online. That may be your goal. And you're trying so many different methods out, and they're not working. You decide you're not going to make any more efforts into getting that money and earning your first $100 online. Now, you might have tried multiple different things. You may not have tried a lot at all. But like I said, as humans, we seem to try things and give up after a month or 2 months or 6 months. Whereas the people that we saw make their first $100 online took a year, maybe it took 2 years, maybe it took 5 years. Now, of course, I'm just giving you guys examples. I'm not saying if you literally want to make $100 online, you should spend 5 years trying to do that. Then of course you need to know when to cut as well. But generally, don't be the person who quits too early. Don't be the person who decides because you're not where others are, you're going to stop. You're going to be impatient and just decide, hey, I'm done with this. Be patient, your time will come. You see, this message is relevant for any of you guys who are in any area of your life where you're trying to achieve something. All of you are that guy in the tunnel, mining away, hacking away at something, trying to push for something, whether it's diamonds, whether it's making money, whether it's a degree, whether it's fitness, whether it's losing weight, whether it's health, whether it is, whatever it may be. You guys are on this journey to achieve something. And it gets to those points where you're like, I'm going to turn my back and I'm going to walk out and go do something else. This is why I'm saying, be patient. If you're making daily progress, you're making steps closer to achieving things, keep hacking away, keep putting in the time, keep putting in the effort. Your results might not be all the results you would like to see. Your progress might look like this, go down a bit, up a bit, but eventually, as long as you're continuing up, you're on the right path. It looks just like a stock we like to invest in. As long as over the 3 months, 6 months, a year, it is continually uptrending, you're doing something right. It might not look great day to day, but if you're making overall progress, then keep going. That is what the patience factor is about. That's what you need to keep in mind. Keep hacking away, keep putting the effort, keep putting the time, keep making the moves, and you're going to see that results you'd like to see. We've all got our race to run. We've all got our own journeys to take part of. Just make sure you focus on your journey. Make sure you focus on what you're doing daily. Make sure you focus on what you're doing right, what you may be doing wrong, fix your mistakes and learn from them. Yeah, it might take you double the time, but it's not all about the person who did 6 months. It's all about the person who did 3 months. It's not all about that. There are going to be those who took a year to get there, 2 years to get there. You might be hacking away at different rates. You might be hacking away at different things behind the scenes. You don't know that, but focus on your journey. Focus on pushing yourself, hacking away, and get into that gold mine, get into the rainbow, get into the end of the rainbow, the diamonds, whatever it may be. Focus on getting to your end goal. Focus on what you've done and what you're trying to do. Now I'd like to end by talking about this, the quitting aspect. I know this crosses many of your minds. When do you actually quit? Because there might be a time when you do need to quit. Let's say you're trying to lose 5 pounds and you've done a specific workout for 3 months straight, maybe 6 months straight, maybe a year straight, maybe 2 years straight. You've done that specific workout for whatever period of time, you've not lost a single pound. Yes, it might be time to switch up the method, do something differently, but it's not exactly time to completely quit the journey. That is what people get it twisted with. Same with making money online. You want to make your first $500 online. You struggle with an online business. You might switch to doing something else. You might switch to YouTube, and within a year, 2 years, 3 years, you might have made your first $500 online. That is possible. But a lot of people will decide because they've not achieved something, doing a specific method, that they're going to just quit. They're going to give up like that. That's not going to get you anywhere. Yes, it might be time to switch something up. It might be time to do something different, but it's not time to just completely quit the journey. Now, let's be honest. If you try 10 different methods and after 5 years or 10 years, none of them have worked, it might be time to just try and look for something else, a new means, because you might just not be good at whatever you're trying to do. That just might not be part of your game and who you are as a person. But I tell you what, it's no good giving up after a year or 2 years or even 6 months or whatever period of time it may be, just because you're not seeing results. It's no good completely giving up when you've not tried other different methods, you've not tried doing something differently, you've not tried being proactive and switching it up and changing up your methods. You've not tried multiple different ways of getting to the same goal. I guarantee you, it will be worth it. You just got to keep hacking away. You've got to keep putting in the effort. You've got to keep putting in the time, because no one else is going to do it for you. And to be honest, if you want to achieve something, you don't want anyone else to do it for you. You want to be the person who says, I made it there. I got it done. I'm glad I did. You want to be that person. You don't want to be someone relying on other people. So don't expect to see the results they got in the same period of time. You might have different obstacles to them. So don't expect to see the same results. You might have different kind of work rate behind the scenes. You might not be able to you might not be putting in the same hours. So remember, all these different factors contribute to where you end up. Do remember that if you've come far, if you made progress, if you made things happen, you can keep doing it. You'll get there eventually. Just keep hacking away. Keep taking your axe every day. Keep being consistent. Stay with it. And of course, make sure you're actually doing things. Don't be the person who's researching, writing down ideas, thinking of a plan, thinking of all this stuff, creating ideas, and not actually executing. That's where a lot of other people go wrong as well. So it's good to be patient, but don't be patient by creating all the ideas and plans in the world without actually taking action and taking steps towards your desired goal or destination. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys are now motivated for this week. Yeah, I didn't come out here shouting and screaming, jumping up and down, but hopefully you guys have understood the message behind today's video, the topic, the different aspects I'm trying to highlight. As always, I'm trying to help people become better each and every day, closer to their goals, one step closer to their dreams, on the right path to achieving financial freedom, financial success. And hopefully with today's video, I've helped you guys do that in some form. In addition to that, I do want to highlight one more time, keep being patient. It does pay off. There's going to be people out there who have a journey which took them 3 months and it might take you 6 months. There will be people out there who did something within a year, they accomplished something, and it's going to take you 2 years to accomplish the exact same thing. Keep that in mind. It might take you longer, whether that's trading, whether that's making money in the stock market, whether that's losing weight, whether that's gaining weight, whether that's getting a degree. We all have different time frames. We don't all accomplish things within the same period of time. But again, now you guys do understand that after watching today's video. Also, like I've mentioned, if you enjoyed this video, this has motivated you, if you're interested to see more videos like this, please do hit the red button or show your appreciation by liking, commenting, or sharing. It does help with YouTube algorithm. It does help with the channel growth. It does help with understanding more about what you guys like to see. Lastly, check out all the different links in the description. If you've not yet signed up through Robinhood, please do that through my link in the description. We both get a free stock, and not a lot of people have used that link, so please do use that link if you're thinking of signing up to Robinhood. Also, check out the stock option starter pack. That's that first link in the description. Of course, it shows my journey over a 3-month period. It might take you longer, it might take you shorter, but check out that stock option starter pack if you're interested about learning more about trading stock options in the stock market. Also, check out TimeGate Watches, my smartwatch company. Check out the Discord. We still have space for members, so yeah, join that Discord. Join us to talk about stocks, investing, cryptocurrencies, all that good stuff. But just join the Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go out there and have a great week. I got momentum making. You got patience to be exerting. See you guys next time for another video. Peace.
Game over.